Episode 10 of the Spring AI for Enterprise Java series. Do not trust AI output blindly. Evaluation, guardrails, and hallucination control in Spring AI. We are testing what the model said, not just that it answered. Your test on the left, the RAG pipeline, an evaluator, and a pass-fail release gate on the right. This part you already write. A test method, exactly like every other test in your suite. The only thing that changes is what you assert. Spring AI gives you exactly one seam for this, the evaluator interface. One method, feed it a request, get back a scored response. Everything plugs into that. An AI grading an AI, but it is a separate model call, asked one narrow question. Was this answer relevant? Not the same call that produced the answer in the first place. Package the question, the context the RAG pipeline actually retrieved, and the answer it gave. Then ask the judge model one thing. Was this actually relevant to the question? Is pass true, the test passes, same as any other assertion. Is pass false, the build breaks. That is the gate, not a suggestion, not a log line nobody reads. Relevancy asks, did it answer the question? Fact-checking asks a stricter question. Is what it said actually true, given the context it was handed? Same interface, same evaluate call, different judgment. Not every score is a clean pass or fail. A borderline score does not ship automatically either way. It routes to a human reviewer before release. This is what lets compliance sign off a release. A scored logged number sitting next to your traces, not a vibe, not looks fine to me. Next, Episode 11, Security and Compliance Architecture. Subscribe for the rest of the series, Spring AI 2.0 update notes at thestackunderflow.com/spring-AI.